Hej så YouTube. Jeg havde tænkt mig, at vi skulle spille episode 2 af... ja, I kan lige komme I kan lige se. Age of Empire. The King Age of War. Ja, så den der, sådan der. Så lad os bare komme i gang.
An army marches on its
Yes.
stomach, or so the old saying goes. My clansmen have been farming and tending sheep for hundreds of years, but gathering enough food to feed an army is a different matter entirely. Without a strong economy, the meager forces that we've cobbled together will collapse again.
Okay, lad os komme i gang.
To support the Scottish army, you'll need to build up your stockpile of resources. To win, gather 50 food, 50 wood, and 50 gold. To gather food from the forage bush, click a village. Then right-click a forage bush near the blue flag. In the status area at the bottom of the screen, you can see how much food the villager is carrying.
Okay,
The villager continues to gather from the forage bush until he's carrying 10 food.
Kid?
kom så.
The villager will continue working for you, carrying the food to the town center. The amount of food you have is shown in the upper left corner of the screen. In addition to your food stockpile, you can see your current wood, gold, and stone stockpiles.
Okay. Sådan der. Lad os komme i gang. Det må godt være
More
lidt-
villagers
okay,
you have,
tak.
the faster you can gather resources. Assign your new villagers to gather food. Good! You found some gold.
Kid.
3 cuts, sådan der. Hvad er det der, altså? Sådan der. Ja. Jeg kan sådan set sidde og styre det hele. Okay, det går da rimelig godt. 33. Jeg hader den der lyd. Okay, nu skal jeg lige holde det ned for options, musik. Sådan der. Og så, det var bare lag. Det var bare lag. Sådan der. Okay. Godt 40. Wood har vi. Ups, sådan der. Stop så.
Bid 4.
Kid.
Kid? Bid 4.
Godt, så mangler vi ikke så meget nu. Ja,
Erlov. Bid 4. Forgere?
10, godt, okay, ja.
To.
Vi vandt i, men vi ser lige hurtigt det her, og så kommer vi videre. Jeg gad ikke se det. Men tak fordi I så med. Håber I kunne lide episoden. Husk at like, subscribe, abonner, og skrive en kommentar. Tak. Hvis I, altså, Ja, det ville betyde meget for mig, hvis I skrev en kommentar, fordi det er lidt ret at få lidt